What?
The blade fell out of the saw.
So like I said in the last video, Mr. Ed got ahead of me in my filming, so let's back up a little bit, show you the rest of the story. We're not going to play his fingers. We're not playing fingers.
He did.
Charlene did.
Well, that's why it fell out, because I don't know how to do it.
So you hear that? She just admitted to it. This is that vent pipe that we discovered when we were pulling the place apart in that very first video. So I've got a special Sawzall blade. It's designed to go through cast iron. We're going to cut it off flush with the concrete.
We need to move our sheetrock and we pull it down. You think, well, we got to go this way, huh?
I'm just going to have to Sawzall it.
Yeah. So,
Cut it right here.
right there.
Right there, but and then you have a.
For some reason, the camera did not catch it. After I cut through that pipe about 2/3 of the way, I stopped and grabbed a hold of it. The sucker broke in half, and that piece on the right shot straight down and almost hit me in the foot. It was a very close call. We should have rethought that a little bit better. Luckily, nobody got hurt. So now let's go ahead and move on to that wall separation. Let's do some sheetrocking. Now we're on the other side of that wall. We got to box in my window. This is going to be my little area, our little area, like a little common area. So we're going to box this in so we can sheetrock it.
Where's your camera so I don't step in front of it? Oh, I'm standing right in front of it. I'm walking toward it, looking all over the place. Well, so much for that.
There goes that idea.
Yeah, I'll stand over here.
Okay, hold it right there.
Wow. Yeah, I'm going to cut it at 50.5.
No, we ain't going to cut it. I don't care how many times you cut it. You can't make it longer.
No, I've tried that so many times. Huh?
We'll just cover the bottom with some trim. So,
Set it on my toe,
yep.
Yeah, where's your picker upper?
The quicker picker upper? If you'll stand on that side
Oh.
and
Hold it up.
hold it up over there. And,
Try to get on the ladder, huh?
and Sharni, if you want to stand on this side.
Hang it right here.
Yeah.
I don't want to get too high, huh?
No. So we're going to be,
I got to go.
it's going to stop right here, Sharni, on this. Just let me know when it hits that 50-50. Not 45, not 33.
58.
50-50. Ready?
Yeah.
I moved the bottom, but I haven't checked the top.
Hey,
50-50?
it's off the thing.
Okay, it's got to come back.
We're crooked. For some reason, we're way crooked.
Okay, hold it right
Now-
there.
Now it's 50-50.
Okay, hold on. Dad's got to go up. There you go.
And it's not 50-50.
Hold on, hold on. It's good enough, Dad.
Oh!
We'll have a scab in there.
He told me not 45, 55. Not 58.
Or 63. You can let go, Dad.
I think this thing's crooked.
So, if you want to move that top over, or add a scab up there. If you got a scab, just nail it to it. Excuse me.
I don't like scabs.
Don't let it move. Perfection. As long as we get one sheet right.
Now how are you going to get through the door?
I was going to wait, but hey. Watch out, Dad. Beautiful.
You look like a perfect door. Now look at all that. I just got through sweeping.
I know. Somebody put this cord here. It makes it hard to go through.
Yeah, I know. I'm not even going to try going through and lifting my foot. Knowing me, I'll trip on it.
I gotta walk through the door.
Hey, how you doing? Are you the next door neighbor? Are you
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Wilson? You're Mr. Wilson, the next door neighbor?
Wilson, yeah. Okay, all the way up. And
Yep. Tell me when.
Charlene, you'll help hold your side
No. If she wants to, she can.
after you go up.
Ready? I'm not using a ladder.
Oh, this is so light.
Yeah. Okay. What is the problem here?
Oh, okay. Hold it right there and let me
I got it.
You got it? You got it?
Got it.
Hurry!
Hurry! Hurry!
Hurry!
Hurry. Drop your head down a little bit. Charlie, right there. Good job.
Oh, you probably don't remember.
There I go.
I always feel like I still got to hold it.
You'd be surprised what 4 screws it is. So after we got it hung, went around and fixed all the screw heads that weren't recessed. We call them clickers because when you go across them with a knife, they make a clicking sound. So we're going to go finish buttoning up all this sheetrock so we can mud it all out. Doesn't that look really nice? Once we get it all mudded and painted, we'll slide all this cabinetry against the wall, and eventually I'm going to put shelves all through here for organization. Honk honk! Coming through! Get out of the way of the train! With the big caboose.
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing.
I don't know anything. I watched a bunch of YouTube. So as we wait for that 45 minutes mud to dry, we hung the tankless up so we can start visualizing where it's going to go. It's going to sit probably a little farther to the right, right above the toilet. We got to figure out the exhaust is what we're doing now. They've got these little flanges that help you to run it through the wall. That way the wall does not get too hot with the exhaust of this tankless. The handy wife was sure having a lot of fun with this project, being able to organize this little hallway area. This has been kind of a problem ever since we started the apartment, but she's having a lot of fun, and she's such a hard worker too. Rolling this primer on the wall here, she's going to get it all rolled, and then we're going to figure out some other color that we could pick. We both like a little bit of color, and we don't want the whole hallway to be all white because we're going to be building shelves and stuff in there, so we want a nice color. So we're going to go dig through my colors I have and see if we can find something we could use.
What do you say, mice?
Mice. Well, the other day we had a rat up there. Now we got mice.
You mix it flat with a Simplast. Because there's a darker gray in there.
Oh, you want to add something to that?
Yeah.
Thin it down, make your own color?
For the second coat.
Yeah, we can do that. What it will do if you mix a flat with a semi-gloss, it will tone down your semi-gloss. And that's what we want. You hit my ceiling.
Well, if you're gonna fire me, I might as well. Wait,
No.
you know.
You're not that lucky. So we finally figured out exactly where we wanted it. We drilled a hole, stuck the pipe all the way through the hole. Now we got 2 flanges, one on the outside, one on the inside, and now we got to figure out how to build like a box around the deal to make like a little chamber. Now it's time to put it in for the last time. We put it in and out so many times. Now we got everything locked in and finalized. Now we're going to slide this up. We've got to slide it into the pipe, then screw it on because there's no room to do it any other way. So we're going to mount it for the last time. This is going to be exciting. They're going to have instant hot water to their sink and their bathtub. We put that piece of plywood on the wall to make it easy to mount, and we insulated behind it too, just to make sure that we don't have to pull it back off again. And it's the same thickness as the sheetrock, so sheetrock will bump right up to it. There you is. Got the tankless installed. There you go. Up here you can see a vent pipe going into the wall. Special chamber it goes through. There it is, coming right out. Boy, we're set and ready to go. Now we just gotta plumb it in. We're making a little bit of progress, and then let me show you guys the hallway. Oh, Charlene's already sliding stuff against the wall. She don't play around.
Well, I'm harder. Not being able to get through.
So we got it
move that sideways. So I can...
got all painted. Say hi, Charlene.
Hi, Charlene.
And I'll paint it behind the refrigerator, so she's sliding everything back. Boy.
Yeah, I need to sweep this before.
So it's our little hallway is starting to take shape. Now I just got to build shelves in here to organize all my crap.
And my crap.
And her crap.
It's not all your crap.
Okay, okay. 50-50. Look at that beautiful door. Wow. Mr. Ed did a good job. It separates our little area completely off now. Let's go inside and look at his floor. As you can see, the base plate is almost level with the new floor. Let's go in there and have Mr. Ed show us how he leveled out the floor. Mr. Ed doesn't like walking on concrete floors. He likes houses with subfloors. So he basically created his own wood floor over the concrete floor. But right here is where the garage door kind of drops down. So he's pulling it back up so we could do a little bit more shimming. It appears there's something holding right here. You can see underneath sawdust the screw. Yep.
Screw.
So he's going to pull it up and show us how he installed this.
Oops. Hey, that helped. Oh man, cheat. Cheated, huh?
So what are you using there?
Green tree picket, fence pickets.
That'd be better. That'd fix it from sagging a little bit in the middle there.
I forgot them.
You got a little cheap on us. Well, cheap for you, because you're the one that's going to be walking on it.
Yeah, right on that screw. There we go.
You going to do a dance little jig for us?
No.
Nope. Here's Mr. Head again. He's all excited, ripping this box open. He sure gets excited when it comes to tools. What's that called? A narrow gauge stapler? Is that what it's technically called? It's not a staple gun. Yep. Narrow gauge crown stapler.
Here's staples. Okay, here.
Can you handle that power?
We'll see. I'll do all the borders.
Oh, hey, how you guys doing? Just trying to do some organization here in my man cave. We've been working so hard on trying to get the apartment done that I haven't had much time to come out here. But this place is really turning out good. And I just want to say thank you guys for all your support. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because we are having a lot of fun here. And I don't want you guys to miss any of it, because once this bedroom's done, we're going to be going through that brick wall. And that's going to be the living room and kitchen. So there's a whole lot more to go. You guys don't want to miss any of this. So thanks for watching. And everybody have fun in your projects. And remember, whenever we're doing projects that we don't know much about it, that's what we use YouTube for. I use it all the time when I'm trying to research how to do something. And that's why I like to make these videos. And we learn so much. So remember, jack of all trades, master of none is better than a master of one. So we want to keep reaching out and keep expanding our knowledge. So until I see you guys again, take care and stay out of trouble. Alright, let's crank up some tunes and organize this thing.